of weightage means 30 marks for the regular lab. 30 marks for the regular lab. Okay. So there are total 13 labs. Out of that, we are going to consider the best 10 lab. Best 10 lab means each lab of 3 marks. Okay, each lab of 3 marks, where 1 marks you will get for the exercise and 2 marks you will get for the assignment. Okay, so some instructor will give you some task, and if you are going to complete the task within a time, then you will get the 2 marks. Okay, so mainly these marks are totally based on your attendance. If you are going to attend all the lab, you can easily get 3 marks. You can easily get 3 marks, means you can easily get 30 marks out of 300. Then there are also 2 lab quiz exam or lab exam of weightage 25%, total 75 marks, and each lab 75 by 2 marks. Okay, so 1 lab exam you will get before the midsem exam and 1 lab exam after the midsem exam. Okay, then finally your compre exam of weightage 35%, so 35 into 3, that is for the compre exam. Okay, so 90 marks for the midsem exam, 30 marks for the regular lab. If you are attending all the labs, you can easily get 30 marks. If you are going for the lab quiz exam, there are 2 lab quiz exam, one before midsem and another after midsem. Then compre exam of weightage 35 into 3 is 35% weightage. Clear? If you have any question related to this marking scheme, then please ask. Anyone? Simply put in the chat box. If you have any question related to any marking scale, then please ask. Okay. These types of questions. Yeah. So grading, regarding that I will discuss. So grading means if you are going to check the previous semester. Grading is totally relative grading. So now you can see in the previous time, out of 530 students, 36 are getting A grade and 39 are getting A minus grade. So if you are going to calculate the total percentage, approximately 11 to 12% the students are getting A and A minus grade. For final means E grade, if you are getting 24 marks, you will get E grade. Means if you are attending all the lab, you can easily get E grade. This is your midsem exam. You can expect this types of question in your midsem exam. We are going to check here. Lab exam, either subjective or objective. This is a previous time lab exam. This is for the compre exam. You can expect this types of question in your compre exam. For the each lab, you will get one lab sheet where some task is already given like that. So code is already given. You have to write the same code, and after that you have to modify it. So these are the exercise. If you are going to complete the exercise, any one or any 2 exercise, then you will get the 1 marks. After that, the instructor will give you some task. And if you are going to complete the task, then you will get 2 more marks, means total 3 marks. The maximum is your A grade, not the A plus grade. Okay, if you are going to attend all the lecture, definitely will get A minus grade. If you are going to attend all the lecture, definitely will get A minus grade. And whatever the question is there in the mid-sem exam, compre exam, if you are attending all the lecture, definitely will easily find the answer, right answer for all the question in the mid-sem exam and compre exam. So that will totally depend upon your attendance. If you are going to attend all the lectures, definitely will get good grade. C, yes, we are using the C programming for this course. Okay, and we are using the metal tool for exam. Okay, we are using the metal tool for the exam. Where the chances of the cheating is very less, because here we are also recording all the activity of the student. Here you can see we are also recording all the activity of the student. So for all the exam, we are using the metal tool where we are recording all the activity of the student. And if you are going to find like that any student is doing the cheating in the exam, then it will go for the 1 year semester back, 2 semester back, the whole for all subject. Not for only for the CP, for whole subject it will go for semester back. Now here you can see all the activities already recorded. Okay, for the programming, you can download one software called Dev C++. Okay, in the lecture we will use the Dev C++, or you can also use the online compiler, or you can download one tool called Dev C++. Dev C++. Where you can easily write the programming, go to the file, create the new file, you will write source file, then you will save as a.c, extension is .c, because we are writing the program in C, then you will write a.c. If you are writing in the C++, then you will write a.cpp. Okay, but in this lecture, basically we will use the C programming, so you will write a.c, and then you have to save. If you are going to write some simple program, you have to write like that. Okay, once you will write the program, then we are also going to check if there is any syntax mistake is present in this program or not. So we are using the compiler. That we'll see during, that we'll discuss during the lecture. So we'll go to the compile. Once we will compile, if there is any syntax error present in this code, then it will give you the idea like that. So as for example, we are going to remove this semicolon, and then you are going to compile it, then it will give you the idea there is something semicolon missing in your code. Okay, if there is no any problem, there is no any syntax error, then you click on run, it will give you the output like that. So that we'll discuss, but mainly we are going to use tool called Dev C++. There is no any system requirement. This is a basic tool. Basic tool. And this is also open source tool. Directly will download and install in your system. And even you can also use the online compiler. Yes, you can also use for the Mac. Even you can also use the online C compiler. You can simply search it. online C compiler. Then here you have to test. So either you can use the online compiler or you can use the software called Lec.1. Both are fine. Code blocks also you can use, there's no any problem. You can also use code blocks. For the lab, every week you will get for 2 hours for the lab. Okay. Lab evaluation component I have already discussed. So there are 2 lab quiz exam. Okay, of weightage 25%, one before mid-sem and one after mid-sem. Continuous lab you will get the 10% weightage. Visual Studio normally we are not using. Okay, Turbo C++ either you can use the code blocks, Turbo C++ or Dev C++. But in this lecture, mainly I will use the Dev C++. For the Mac, you can use the Turbo C++. Just will check. Mid-sem exam, I think, yeah, 12th of, I think 8th of December. Mid-sem exam. If you have any doubt, then doubt clarification time is Tuesday 4 to 5 p.m. Okay, and this is my WhatsApp number. If you have any doubt, then you can also WhatsApp me. You can also WhatsApp 8260612877. If you have any question, any doubt related to any topic, then you can WhatsApp. And all the notice I will put in the Google Classroom. We are not using the CMS. This time we are using totally Google Classroom. These are the textbook. Normally in my session, I will follow this text reference in my session. Problem solving and programming design in C. This is your overall course outline. The first one, problem solving and programming design in C.
Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir.
Yeah, this is the text. If you have to check. Soft copy I will check. Yeah, PPT I will share with you. PPT. Okay, but if you are attending all the lectures, there you don't need to go through the book. That is more than sufficient for any type of exam. Either if you are going for the GATE exam, if you are going for the placement exam, if you are going for our compre or mid-sem exam, that is more than sufficient. If you are going to attend all the lectures. Yes, 7th edition. PPT I will share in the Google Classroom. After the class, I will share all the PPT in Google Classroom. Soft copy I will check, but currently I have not the soft copy of this book. Soft copy I will check. Simple we will search C compiler, online C compiler, online C compiler. Online C compiler, or you can search online GCC compiler. Yes, I will start from basic. C means that is a basic language. You cannot compare with the Python. You cannot compare with the Java. But C is a basic language. It is very easy to learn the language. That's why we are using the C. But if you are going to take the advantage of Java and Python, definitely that has the more advantage over the C. No, C is not a object oriented. Java is your object oriented software, but C is a procedural oriented, not the object oriented. You can use any one. Either you can use the online C compiler or you can use the Dev C++. But during the lecture, whatever the program I am going to write, I will use the Dev C++. Yeah, this is the book. Yes, after C, we'll go through the Java, maybe in the second semester, object-oriented program. Yeah, you can share it. There is no any problem. If you have the soft copy of the book, you can see. Python, I think no. Okay, so when you will do the courses like data mining and machine learning, then you will do some assignment in Python. But there is no any specific syllabus for Python. C++ and C, what you can say, C++ is little bit about the object-oriented software. Okay, C++, not the fully object-oriented software, but C is fully procedural-oriented software, not the object-oriented software. So that is the main difference between C and C++. Okay, but that is totally different. Whatever you have done in the 12th class, that is not like that. And here, the level of the question is also very high. If you are not going to attend all the lecture, if you are attending 10 to 20% only lecture, then in this case, it is very difficult to get even E or D grade. Because that is totally different from C++. Nothing. I have already mentioned, if you are going to attend all the lectures, that is more than sufficient for any type of job. No problem. I have already mentioned, I will start from basic. Only you will attend the lecture, that is more than sufficient. So as for example, some students are saying like that, I have done the C++ in 12th class. Can you find the output of first program? That is a very simple program. Anyone who have already done the C++ in 12th class, can you find the output of the first program? What it will print? Dev C++ you will download. Dev C++. Anyone who have already done the syntax is instead of writing the printf statement in the, I think in the C++ we are using the putAce or getAce, something like that. C in or C out. Okay, so we will assume like that. Here we are writing the C out. Only will solve this expression, and then we'll find what is the value of D and what is the value of C. And after executing this operation, what is the value of E? So first we'll find for this one, what is the value of DAB after executing this operation? Anyone? If you are attending all the lecture, maximum chance you will get at least A minus grade. Okay, so one student is saying 20, 10, 1. 20, 10, 1. Okay, I'm also going to check. Okay, so first one, now assume that first one, what we are writing here, A greater than 10. A greater than 10. So condition is true or false? First one. If you are going to check simple, greater than. If you are writing A greater than, are you talking about this line or first line? True. So here also we are using the concept, if you are writing the AND, if the first expression is false, it will not execute the second operation. Same like that, if you are going for the OR, and if the first expression is true, then it will not execute the second operation. If you are using this type of procedure, then you are getting the right answer, otherwise you are not getting the right answer. So in the first case, the first one, A greater than 10, condition is true, so it will execute this statement, and when it will execute this statement, the value of B become 10. So as for example, if you are writing here B equal to 20, so the value of B become 20. It is not like that. Even we are writing here B equal to 5. In this case also you will get the answer equal to 20, 10, 1. Same like that, if you are going for the second operation, then in this case what we will get, A greater than 10, condition is true. If the condition is true, it will not execute the B equal to 30. In this case, output also will get the same like that. If the value of B equal to 20, the value of B equal to 10, and something like that. Okay, this is basically percentile we are writing to print the integer value. That we'll see. That we'll see. That we'll see. Officially, we cannot make any type of group. Unofficially, if you are planning to make, you can make. There is no any problem. Yes. After each lecture, we'll also get the recording of the lecture. Yes, this Meet link is same for all the classes. Same. And these types of questions, if you are attending the lecture, these types of questions within a 5 to 10 seconds, it will solve the problem. If you are attending all the lecture, then within a 5 to 6 seconds, you will find the answer. What is the answer for this type of question? Similar like that. For these types of question, you can easily find the answer. Not. So in this session, we are not going through the GitHub and Git. Okay. Regarding the Python, in the next year, in the second year, I am also taking the classes data mining. I'm also taking the classes for data mining. So in these classes, we are discussing about the Python. We are writing all the code in Python. That is for the second year. Second year, second semester. Triple E, I have no any idea. Only for the computer science, I think data mining course is there. In the Google Classroom, you will get here. In the Google Classroom, you will got the recorded lecture for every class. That we will discuss. That we will discuss. What is the use of hash include SQL.h? That we will discuss. I have already mentioned, just you can see, this is the Meet link. In the Google Classroom, it is already mentioned. You can use this link. Again, I am going to share in the Google Classroom. Definitely, I will share in the Google Classroom. So before the midterm exam, I will share all the questions in Google Classroom. And during the lecture, we will also discuss what types of question you can expect from your normal midterm exam, compre exam, and also for the placement exam. If you are planning for the GATE exam, then what types of question you can expect from this topic. That we will discuss during the lecture. Yes, we are going to start from basic. We are going to assume like that you have no any idea about programming. Yes, we will start from next class. And if you are talking about the most important topic, the number system is the very most important topic. So we are going to take 3 to 4 lectures only for the number system. Then before midterm exam, algorithm is also very important topic, because definitely one question you can expect from algorithm. Some question definitely come from the decision making, like if else statement, for loop. Data structure, second semester, I think. Second semester or second year, first semester. Second year, first semester data structure. And if you are from the non-CS branch, then second year, second semester data structure. Second year, first semester for computer science, and second year, second semester for non-computer science. This is your lab plan. If you are going for the job placement, most of the company asking the question related to the computer program. Either you are from the mechanical background, or you are from the civil department, you are from the chemical department or electronics department. In all the cases, if you are sitting in the software oriented company, then definitely they will ask you the question related to computer programming. No, for this course only we will use the C, computer programming. C, only C. For the Mac, just will check the Dev C++ portion. From next class, from 6th of October, we are going to start. Okay, then I will check for the MacBook, then I will inform you. Any more question? That is not enough for placement. But definitely this course will help you to get the idea about the next programming language. Yes, for all the course, I think. For all the branch, this is very important course. Because if you are talking about the bits Pilani, most of the companies are software company. If you are talking about the good placement or good package, then software companies are only giving the good package. And if you are planning for the software company, then you have the good knowledge in programming. Yes, during the open book exam, you cannot use the PDF. At least I am saying A minus grade. If you are getting good marks in all the component, then definitely you have the chances to get A grade. I have no any idea about the X code, but you can use the online programming. You can use the online C compiler. You can use this one. There is no any problem. Online GCC compiler. Second, for data mining, I think you can take the data mining course. Data mining you can take. No, normally in bits, I am teaching the courses like database management system, computer programming, then machine learning, data mining. Yes, definitely I will upload the recorded lecture. It's an elective subject. Database is, I think, not the elective subject. That is a CDC subject. So that is only for the computer science, but I think some student from electronics is also taking this course. Continuous lab means every lab you will get the 3 marks. 1 marks you will get for the exercise. Okay. So some programs are already given. You have to write the program and minor you have to change. Okay, based on the exercise. If you are going to submit your screenshot or something like that, then you will get 1 marks, and the rest 2 marks you will get. Rest 2 marks you will get based on the task. The instructor will also give you the task, and if you are going to complete the task, you will get the 2 marks. But that is mainly related to the attendance. If you are going to attend all the lab, definitely you will get 30 out of 30. Machine learning is basically we are making the machine intelligence, something like that. So whatever we are thinking like that, how we can make the machine is also think like that. That is called the machine learning. So that will also take the decision like human. And even after 2nd year, if you are getting good grade in C or database or data mining, you have also option to do project. You have also option to do project. Okay. And if you are doing the project, then you have also chances to get some publication. So that will totally depend upon your grade and totally depend upon your class attendance. If you are attending all the lecture, definitely we get the advantage. because maximum every faculty can take maximum 8 students, not more than that. So here getting project is also very challenging. That is called the project, means basically will work for the machine learning type of project, data mining type of project that will help in your placement exam. And you have also chances to publish some your research paper. If you are going to check here, these types of publication. So now you can see if you are going to check here, this Himanshu Gupta will also be take a student. Then Triyasha Ghosh will also be take a student. Prakhar Gupta, your senior, will take a student. So you have also chance to publish some paper. Don't worry about the machine learning and data mining. First, we will only focus on computer programming. Here you can see if you are talking about the type of the project, these types of project basically. Mainly we are doing the work in the area of software metrics, software quality, quality of service, machine learning, software maintainability, prediction, fault prediction, change proneness, NLP, testing of AI application. Yes, that will start from second year, not from the first year. That will start from second year. And if you are doing the project under me, then definitely we will become expert in Python. Many students are doing the project. They are going to check. They are your senior student, second year student. Aman is also doing the project. And project will only get if you have the good CGPA. Yes, AAA student can also work under me. There is no any problem. Here CGPA is very important because your practice school one totally decide in your CGPA. If you have the good CGPA, you have the good chances to get the PS in good company. Because practice school without interview, without interaction with the student, directly we are sending the student to the company based on the CGPA. So here your CGPA is very important for your practice school 1 and practice school 2. And many students are getting the pre-placement offer from practice school 2. And that will totally depend upon your CGPA. CGPA means overall CGPA we are calculating. Grade means basically we are calculating for each subject you are getting the grade, and when you are going to merge all the grade, you will get one CGPA. Any branch student can work under me. Any branch, not the computer science student. Any other branch student can also work under. There is no any problem. There are two ways to work. One is your formal and second one your informal. Okay. So first we will join as an informal student, and maybe after next semester, means after one semester, we'll get the formal project. Because I have already mentioned, one faculty can take maximum 8 formal students, not more than 8. If you are planning to do project related to the computer science, means you have the good knowledge in program. You have some good idea in program. You can can try after first year, maybe you can try. After first year. For first year, at least you will not miss any lecture. Whatever the courses you have registered, for all the courses, you have to attend all the lectures. Okay, you have to attend all the lectures. If you are going to attend all the lecture, definitely will get the good CGPA. And if you are getting the good CGPA, you have good chances to get the practice score. Yes, also you can sit in the computer science oriented company. There is no problem. Either from any department, you are from the chemical department, mechanical department, civil department. If you have the good knowledge in programming, then you can easily see, you can easily attend or you can easily participate in computer science related company. Even the BETC also running one minor in data science program. That is only for the non-computer science student. Minor in data science. I think you can register after second year. The good CGPA is at least your CGPA more than 8.5. And BETC getting 8.5 is really challenging. Because here we are using the relative grading. It is not like that if you are getting the 90% marks, you will get the A grade. Yes, for B Pharma also. There is no any problem. Nowadays, in every domain, we are using the software. In every domain. If you are going for the hardware domain, also you are going to find the most of the novelties are coming in the terms of software, not in the terms of hardware. For CAC, I think for dual degree, I think 8.4, 8.5, minimum 8.5 is required for dual degree. For dual degree, yes, I'm talking about dual degree. For dual degree, for computer science, minimum 8.4, 8.5. If you are planning to change the branch, then in this case, at least 9.6, 9.7. Yes, for dual degree, 2 degree at the same time. That I am saying the minimum cutoff for the dual degree, because those students who have taken the admission in dual degree based on the CGPA, you will get one engineering branch. Okay, based on the CGPA, you will get one branch. If you are going to maintain more than 8 CGPA throughout your BTech, that is good for you. And I have already mentioned only if you are talking about the computer programming, in every courses, maximum 15% student will get A and A minus grade. And if you are looking for 8.5 CGPA, means at least 3 to 4 subjects you have the minimum A minus grade. Then you will get 8.5. And that will totally depend upon your regular lecture. If you are going to attend all the classes, definitely will get at least A or A minus. Okay, so thank you. So we will start from 6th of October. We will start the classes from 6th of October. I've already mentioned all classes are very important. If you are going to miss 2 or 3 classes, then it becomes very difficult to get the concept. So try to attend all the lectures. If you are going to attend all the lecture, definitely will get benefit in your all the exam, either in your placement exam, or if you are talking about the compre exam, if you are talking about the gate exam, in every year you will get the idea. Because if you are attending all the lectures, definitely I will make you master in computer programming. What types of question you will get, you can easily solve within a time. But that will totally depend upon your classes. If you are going to attend all the lecture, definitely you will become master in computer programming. If you are going to miss any lecture, then it's become very difficult to understand the next lecture. It becomes very difficult. Some case, if most of the students have doubt in a specific topic, then I will also conduct extra class. I will also conduct extra class. If you have any doubt related to any topic, then I will also conduct some extra classes. Okay, thank you.